Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo ang proportionality with secondary parts of triangles. So kung gusto nyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time ay ituturo ko naman sa inyo ang proportionality with secondary parts of triangles. So meron na akong previous videos about introduction to similar polygons, theorems on similar triangles, and proportional segments theorems. So, hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, isilink ko na lang para ma-check nyo rin kasi related din yung mga topics natin doon dito sa topic natin ngayon sa video na to. Okay, so this time sa video na to is didiscuss natin kung ano na ba yung mga theorems na nagre-relate sa mga secondary parts ng triangles, particularly sa similar triangles. So, meron na rin akong old or previous video about secondary parts of triangles. So, kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, isilink ko na lang din para ma-check nyo, para at least meron na kayong background sa mga different secondary parts ng triangles. Okay? So, as a review, meron tayong different secondary parts of triangles, like angle bisector, median, altitude, and perpendicular bisector. So, mag-start tayo sa theorem for angle bisector. So, sabi, the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side into segments which are proportional to the adjacent sides. Okay. So, meron daw tayong triangle ABC with AD as angle bisector. Again, as a review, pag sinabi nating angle bisector, it is a segment that divides one interior angle of a triangle equally. So, kung meron tayong triangle ABC at ito daw segment AD is the angle bisector, therefore, ito dapat angle BAD is congruent dito sa angle CAD. Okay? Ngayon, using this theorem for angle bisector, sabi yung bisector of an angle daw dun sa triangle is i-divide niya yung opposite sides. So, yung opposite sides ito sa angle bisector natin is itong side BC, right? So, i-divide niya to into segments which are proportional to the adjacent sides. So, ibig sabihin ito sa segment BC being divided by this point D. So, yung ratio nila, which is itong BD over CD, is proportional doon sa adjacent sides. So, dapat equal din siya sa ratio nitong adjacent dito sa BD, which is itong AB, over this time naman sa adjacent dito sa side CD, which is AC. Okay? So, AB over AC. So, ito yung mabubuo nating equation for this theorem. AB over AC equals BD over CD. Okay? Next, let's have the theorem for medians. So, this time, kapag medians naman, ibig sabihin yon, it is a segment from a vertex to the side opposite that vertex that divides that opposite side equally. Okay? So, sabi, corresponding medians of similar triangles are proportional to corresponding sides. So, to illustrate, let's say meron daw tayong triangle MEI and then triangle ANR. So, dapat yung condition is similar yung dalawang triangle. And then, dun sa triangle MEI, MD daw is a median. Okay? So, meron tayong symbol dito na dalawang guhit. Ibig sabihin, itong D is midpoint nitong IE. Kaya congruent ito ID dito sa DE. Likewise, ito namang AT is median to RN. Okay? So, congruent itong RT sa TN. Okay? Now, applying this theorem, dapat daw yung dalawang medians itong similar triangles is proportional doon sa corresponding sides. So, we have the ratio ng dalawang median, which is MD over AT, is equal doon sa ratio din ng kahit anong dalawang corresponding sides. So, in this example, ginamit natin ME over AN. Okay? So, pwede rin equal sa ratio ng other sides. Depende sa given sa problem, pwede rin IM over RA. And pwede rin IE over RN. So, ito yung equation natin para sa theorem natin for medians. Okay? Next, let's have the theorem for altitude. So, this time, ang altitude naman is a segment starting from a vertex going to opposite side that is perpendicular to that side or 90 degree. Right? So, sabi, corresponding altitudes of similar triangles are proportional to corresponding sides. Okay, so halimbawa, meron tayong triangle SIN. Similar daw dapat dito sa triangle TOE. Ngayon, itong SG, okay, is the altitude kasi perpendicular siya dito sa opposite side na NI. Likewise, itong TP is also an altitude with 90 degree angle as shown dahil perpendicular siya dito sa opposite side EO. So this time, just like sa median, yung ratio din ng dalawang altitude dapat proportional sa ratio ng corresponding sides. So pag kinuha natin yung ratio ng dalawang altitudes, so SG over TP, dapat equal siya sa ratio ng kahit anong corresponding side. So in this example, ginamit is etong SI over TO. So again, depende sa problem, pwede ring equated to sa ratio ng other corresponding sides. Let's say SN over TE or NI over EO. Okay, so ito yung equation natin kapag meron tayong altitudes ng dalawang similar triangles. Okay? So let's solve some examples para ma-illustrate natin yung theorems na ni-discuss natin. Okay, so for the first problem, we have given segment BS is an angle bisector, EB is equal to 7, ES is equal to 5, and SI is equal to 6. Find BI. Okay, so meron tayong figure dito. Meron tayong triangle BEI. Okay, BEI. And then meron tayong angle bisector BS. So ibig sabihin itong angle EBS is congruent dito sa angle IBS. Okay? And then meron tayong dimensions. EB daw is 7, ES is 5, and SI is 6. So hanapin natin itong BI. Okay? So obviously gagamitin natin yung theorem sa angle bisector. So ano magiging ratio natin dito? So base sa equation natin kanina, itong ratio nitong ES over sa ratio nitong SI dapat equal din sa ratio nitong EB over BI. Okay? So substitute natin yung value. So we have ES is 5 over SI is 6 equal EB 7 over PI unknown, let's say X. Okay? So solve natin tong equation for X. So cross multiply na lang natin sa magiging 5 times X and 6 times 7. So we have 5X is equal to 6 times 7 is 42. Divide both sides by 5. Cancel 5. X is now equal to 42 divided by 5 or 8.4 units. So therefore, the length of BI is equal to X, which is 8.4 units. Okay? Next, we have given triangle MED similar to triangle ICO. ML and IN are medians. MD is equal to 9. IO is equal to 6. ML is equal to X plus 2. IN is equal to 2X minus 4. So, find the length of ML. Okay, so this time meron tayong two similar triangles, triangle MED, similar to triangle ICO. And then this time meron tayong medians ML and IN. So, median ML and median IN. Okay? And then, meron tayong dimension na MD is equal to 9, IO is equal to 6, and then ML is equal to X plus 2, IN is equal to 2X minus 4. So, hanapin daw natin yung length nitong ML. So, buo tayo ng equation. So, obviously, ang gagamitin natin dito is yung theorem natin for medians. Kasi meron tayong dalawang medians, right? So, base dun sa theorem kanina, dapat yung ratio ng dalawang medians natin, which is ML over IN, is equal sa ratio ng any two corresponding sides. So, piliin natin yung dalawang corresponding sides na merong length. Obviously, itong MD and IO. So, we have MD over IO. Okay? So, substitute natin yung value. Ano si ML? X plus 2, right? Ano si IN? 2x minus 4. Equals MD is 9 over IO is 6. So, solve muna natin tong equation for x. Okay? So, cross-multiply ulit. So, magiging 6 times x plus 2 is equal to 9 times 2x minus 4. So, distribute ko si 6. So, 6 times x is 6x plus 6 times 2 is 12 equals, distribute din natin si 9. 9 times 2x is 18x. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. So, transpose ko dito sa left si 18x, transpose ko dito sa right si 12, magiging 6x minus 18x is equal to negative 36 minus 12. So, 6x minus 18x is negative 12x equal to negative 36 minus 12 is negative 48. So, to solve for x, divide both sides by negative 12. X is now negative 48 divided by negative 12 or 4. Okay, so this is the value of x. Ang hinahanap sa problem is yung actual length ni ML, which is x plus 2. So, substitute natin yung x na 4 and then plus 2. So, therefore, ML is equal to 4 plus 2 or 6 units. Okay? Next, we have given triangle FOR similar to triangle ABD. FU and AC are altitudes. Find AD and AC. Okay, so this time meron tayong dalawang similar triangle. Triangle FOR similar to triangle ABD. So, this time, meron tayong altitudes FU. Okay, denoted by this 90-degree angle and AC. Okay? And then, meron din tayong dimensions. So, RF is 15. FU is 10. AD is 2 times x plus 1. And AC is x plus 3. Hanapin daw natin itong AD and then AC. Okay? So, dahil meron tayong altitudes, obviously, gagamitin natin yung theorem for altitude. So, sabi doon, yung ratio ng two corresponding altitudes ng similar triangle, in this case, we have FU over AC, dapat equal din sa ratio ng any two corresponding sides. So, gamitin natin yung merong given lengths. Obviously, itong RF and AD, right? So, RF over AD. So, substitute natin. Ano si FU? 10. Ano si AC? X plus 3. Ano si RF? 15. Ano si AD? 2 times x plus 1. Okay? And then, solve natin tong equation for x. So, cross-multiply uli. So, we have 10 times 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 15 times x plus 3. So, 10 times 2 is 20 times x plus 1 is equal to, distribute ko na itong 15, 15x plus 45. So, distribute ko itong 20, 20x plus 20 equals 15x plus 45. So, transpose ko itong 15 sa left and then itong 20 sa right. So, magiging 20x minus 15x is equal to 45 minus 20. Now, 20x minus 15x is 5x equal to 45 minus 20 is 25. Dividing both sides by 5 to solve for x, x now is equal to 25 divided by 5 or 5. So, ito pa lang yung value ng x. So, hanapin natin yung actual length nitong AD at AC. So, for AD, it is equal to 2 times x plus 1. Substitute natin yung x na 5. So, we have 2 times 5 plus 1 or 2 times 6 or 12. So, AD is 12 units. While for AC, we have x plus 3, right? So substitute x is equal to 5, so we have 5 plus 3 or 8. So therefore, AC is 8 units. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video, proportionality for secondary parts of triangles. So sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.